Hey everybody, welcome back to Jason Explains Things. I'm here with my buddy Chris doing another Overland DIY video. Chris, why don't you give us a quick recap of what we're doing today and your truck and everything?
Absolutely. So this is the new truck. This is the 2021 Bison. We did a little intro video of it the last time, and we asked for your guys' help to vote on what we should do first to it, basically.
Yep.
So we counted the votes, and we are doing an install video for the exhaust.
Chevy Performance exhaust?
Yes,
yep.
Yes. So recap, I got essentially a free exhaust with this truck. So we're gonna throw it in. It's the Chevy Performance exhaust by Corsa.
So this is going to be a how-to install video, but also we're going to do a review for you because you're a little skeptical, right, about whether or not you wanted this in the first place. So we're going to get like how much louder it is and also if you notice any performance improvement.
Yeah. Chevy claims up to 10 horsepower improvement. Obviously, that's not going to be super noticeable.
Yeah.
And I was a little indifferent on the exhaust, but I'm excited to do it. I don't want it to be very loud, so I'll be happy if it's not crazy loud, which I don't think it is. But
so exactly on that point, let's cut to some before footage we recorded of decibel ratings, how it sounds, so we know kind of where our baseline is.
Okay, so we are out here a couple of days before the install. We just want to test the decibel reading of the original exhaust. We'll retest after we put in the new exhaust just to see what the change in sound is. We're going to record from about 2 feet out just for science.
For science?
Yes.
Seriously, Betty, you know what this meteor could mean to science. If we find it, and it's real, it could mean a lot. It could mean actual advances in the field of science.
Good?
Good. Ready?
All right, ready.
All right, so we're about 2 feet out.
All right, we're pulling onto the highway to see how loud the stock exhaust is, which is essentially barely audible above road noise, right?
Correct, yeah, inside you can't hardly hear it at all, but...
All right, give her the beans. 84. Doesn't get any louder than 84 decibels.
And honestly, I think that's mostly engine noise.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I pretty much can't hear it.
Yeah.
Another really cool thing about doing this today is we're doing this in the middle of winter, and Chris's truck actually fits in my shop, which is really cool. His old one, because it was a long bed, didn't, so it's kind of nice. So for tools, just heavy-duty jack stands and of course a jack and hand tools.
Yep,
pretty much,
bunch of nuts and bolts. Yep.
Sweet. Well, let's get started.
All right, sounds good.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
There it is.
Ooh. What's the material? Is it stainless or?
I think it's stainless, yeah.
Very cool. Hey Chris, your brakes look brand new.
Hey, good. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and take out the old exhaust. It looks like it's pretty easy. There's a couple of bolts up front that will take it out, and then it's all one piece, so we're gonna have to lift it out over the rear axle. So that could be kind of fun. I think it's probably gonna be harder than putting the new one in.
Yeah, looks like it.
So we are gonna use a 5/8 deep socket on this, and we are gonna be disconnecting right here. It says to retain these bolts. I think we're gonna use them to put the new one on. Just gonna kind of loosen them up together.
Yeah. There it is. Oh, the hanger's off?
Hanger's off.
Cool.
I'm not doing that again.
It's like trying to get a shot of this is hard without your shiny, pretty shocks in the way the whole time.
So we found another one. There's a third one right at the end, right before the exhaust tip.
Oh, yeah.
So
there it is. So 3.
3.
Okay. Hey, good job.
And we're off.
Make it look easy so people want to do this. And share it with their family and friends. And subscribe and turn on notifications and all the other stuff.
You guys like seeing Chris struggle? Subscribe.
Almost there.
Got it.
Hey, one left.
Okay, we are going to need to support this now because it's a lot of...
Okay.
Well, unless we can set it all the way down.
Just set it down. Nice.
Hey, blood, now it's an install.
Nice.
Hey.
Good job explaining things.
Hey, I got it.
Hey, she's free. Okay, where do you want me to go?
I'm going to have you grab that end.
Okay.
That's currently being held by my foot.
Okay, got it.
You're rubbing on my pretty shock, dude. What are you doing?
Sorry, man. Hold on.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Out she comes.
Okay, you should be able to set it down now if it's not already.
It's down.
Okay.
And out skis.
You did it!
Whoa. There you go, everybody.
Ready for the new one.
Awesome. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's do it.
All right, so we're gonna put the front part of the exhaust first in the front tube. We're gonna seat it into the flange. We're gonna put on the hanger, use the nuts we took off the first time. So we're gonna put this on, then we're gonna put the rear end on, and then we are going to mount the muffler last.
Oh, okay. Nice. Almost there. Almost there. There it is. Hey, good job.
We'll just hand tighten these for now until we're all done. We'll tighten them up. So I'm gonna hopefully make it a little bit easier on myself, and we're gonna use some lube on these drop hangers this time, so you won't see me struggle as much.
Nice. Go ahead and move it around.
I don't want to.
There we go. Nice.
Lube, who knew?
Silicone grease for the win.
There we go.
Very cool.
All right, so we're gonna seat these clamps on the existing pipes that we just hung there on either side of the muffler just to get them ready. And put those up there and then slide that muffler and tighten them down. So obviously you wanna put these up there with the nut pointing down to make it easy on yourself. So we're gonna hang them right there, but they'll end up about like that. So you tighten it down nicely.
Gotcha.
Okay, so one thing to note when we put this in, we got a close-up shot of this tiny little hole here. When we mount this muffler, we want to mount that down. That's just so any condensation in the muffler will drip out.
Oh, that makes sense.
Nice and easy. Plus you got a big ugly seam on the other side, so we want to hide that anyways.
Cool. Hey! Bam! You got some dirt on your head. There it is.
I'm sure I do.
There you go.
Thanks, buddy.
I got it. Actually, I didn't.
All right, go ahead.
Sounds awesome, dude. I like it. All right, we got the new exhaust on. Let's go ahead and do a test for see if it's any louder.
So far, we haven't heard a whole lot of drone in the engine, but we're going
not
to,
at all.
Gonna hit the highway here and see what it sounds like.
For the record, I think it sounds really good.
It does.
When you
I'm very
do
happy
hear
with
it.
it so far. All right.
Here we go. So about 3 or 4 decibels louder.
Not a whole lot, yeah.
No?
Good. I mean, we can definitely hear it in the cab more than we could before. It's more exhaust and less just engine noise. But yeah, once you hit cruising speed again, it's great.
So Chris, is there any noticeable performance difference so far?
No, I wouldn't say so. I
No?
don't feel anything different. It's just the sound basically. So,
Okay,
but I'm fine with that.
all right,
Yeah.
that's fair. Hey, we're in the fog now. Well, Chris, what do you think?
Yeah,
You like it?
I do. After a
Good.
little bit of driving around with it, city, highway, freeway, all that stuff, it sounds good. Like we
Yep.
mentioned earlier, there's not a noticeable like increase in performance or anything.
Sure.
I didn't expect there would be. But no, I'm really happy with it. It's the right kind of loud. I didn't want it to be obnoxious, and it's not. But you can hear it under acceleration, and I think it sounds really good.
All right, Chris, well, what's next for the Bison? I know one thing you mentioned and that we kind of ran into today is the spare tire being underneath. You want to get that out and back in the bed and other things, but other thoughts?
Definitely going to be in the pipe soon. It's going to be, I'd say, either that and then the front lower tube like we talked about on the last video. Either those things or the lighting. It's down to one of those two.
And then bigger, better things beyond that are more expensive.
Those are in the near future. Again, yeah, farther down the road, probably the bed rack and a rooftop tent and all that stuff, and maybe snorkel. I don't know.
Snorkel, snorkel, snorkel.
We'll see. Yeah.
I just want a shot of forging a river at some point on this channel.
You just want to cut a giant hole in my fender. I think that's what you want to do.
I do have an angle grinder, so. All right, everybody. Well, thank you for watching. Please, again, consider subscribing, turning on notifications, and/or smashing like buttons. Smash them. Smash them. Smash it. We did that in an earlier video, so, you know, inside joke. Cool. Well, until next time, everybody, we'll see you soon. And, okay, yeah, we'll do.
Don't forget to do it yourself.
Yes. Shut up, Chris. That should be it. Don't forget to do it yourself.
Shut up.
I think that's how
we're gonna end it. That's
actually how we're gonna end it.
All right.
Okay, that's good.